Your stablecoin runs on rails you don't operate. Choosing them is a systems decision, and the numbers are public. The fee and finality table, mid-2026. Solana. A fraction of a cent per transfer, soft confirmation in 400 milliseconds, full finality under 13 seconds. Base, around 2/10 of a cent. And note that some transfers there are promotionally subsidized, designed for the listed fee, not the promo. Ethereum mainnet, gas sites at historic lows right now, under 5 cents. But the 10-year record says plan for $1 to $5 at normal demand. Tron, roughly $2 per transfer since its energy repricing, 3-second settlement, and still the workhorse of remittance corridors across Asia. Now the decision that matters more than speed, native or bridged. Native means the issuer mints and burns directly on each chain. Supply moves by burning on one side and minting on the other under the issuer's own keys. Bridged means a third-party contract locks tokens on one chain and issues wrapped copies on another. The history here is brutal. Bridge exploits have cost the industry well over $2 billion. The rule that falls out of it: if the issuer doesn't mint natively on a chain, treat that chain as unsupported. Budget bridge risk at zero by never taking it. Finality deserves one careful minute because it is two different numbers. Soft confirmation is when the user can see the payment, 400 milliseconds on Solana. Finality is when your accountant can book it, 13 seconds there, 12 minutes on Ethereum. Build the user experience on the first number and the ledger on the second, and never confuse them in a service level agreement. The architecture pattern that survives production: 2 chains, 1 router. A primary chain chosen by corridor. High volume Asian payout lanes point at Solana or Tron. US commerce and anything Coinbase adjacent points at base. Institutional counterparties still often require Ethereum. Then a fallback on a different failure domain, different validator set, different client software, different congestion profile. The router picks per payment on live fee and health data. Chains become configuration, not code. Your payment logic should not know which chain it is on. One operational truth vendors rarely volunteer: chains halt. Solana's history includes full outages. Congestion events on every chain have delayed settlement for hours. Your design question is not whether a halt happens, but what your payments do during one. The answer should be queue, reroute to the fallback, and alert automatically with no human decision in the path. The Monday directive: write the fee and finality table for your actual corridors at your actual sizes. A $2 fee is invisible on a $10,000 settlement and fatal on a $20 remittance. Pick a primary per corridor and one fallback on a separate failure domain. Confirm the issuer mints natively on both, and schedule a chain halt drill the same week you go live. Next episode: compliance, the pipeline that decides your latency more than any blockchain does.